Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view watch history on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to view watch history or check recently watched reels on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And guys, in order to proceed, you need to know thing that is, in order to check recently watched reels on Instagram, only your liked videos or liked reels you will be able to view them on your watch history. So in order to do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on over there, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons over there. Tap on that and tap on your activity over here just below the archive. So guys, you can see you will be able to view those posts over here where you have liked the videos or all of the posts. You can see it here. You can swipe these options at left where it says the all content types. You can tap on it. You can just go to the post, or you can just view your reels. So in order to do that, tap on which one you like, tap on apply, and all of your saved reels will be available over here. And let's go back, and over here you can see, you can also view your commented posts over here, videos over here if you have commented or something, or commented if you have commented on any videos. And let's go back. You can see the videos which you have been tagged on over here, either it's a video or a reel. By this way guys, you will be able to view your watch history on Instagram with some of your interactions. And guys, this is how to view watch history on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.